have 2 albums. Nze. Nga noonya wenziteera nga sirabawo. Music afa bw'omutanga ba consumers tebasobola mu consuming. Mudra would be rich today. Today. Singa tabadde COVID. Zix yabadde mugaga today. Singa tabadde COVID. Okitegeera? So ezo nnyimba zifudde. Naye zijja kuddayo ku katono performinga y'emyezi ng'esatu nga suzivaawo. Kati ekirungi abo basobola okuleeta empya. But I can guarantee you nti abayimbi olutandika okuperforminga they always get pressure to release what? More music. So we are going to see more music. I'm very happy that the quality of music.
Firebase yagikwatidde ekyo.
Yeah, Firebase. Teriyo.
Dax Vibes.
Yeah.
Muganda Bobby Wine. Banjo man.
So basically checho and benange ninayo amapiano
wakuya amapiano
but that's just one song nesi kulembeza amapiano no
si chaffe
fe tuna kulembeza chaffe otherwise as how we today should be more here,
should be concentrating more here.
Tuina kumuwa nnyo wano
maanyi
ga wano na springing na lyo kagenda omanye wewe babuuza nti Uganda who is the biggest artist, Uganda who is the biggest football player, the best soccer player. That's how they ask. Tebabuuza nti eno mu America muyimbi kyomu na Uganda asinga. That's not how they ask. No record company yenna tula eri ku Sony nabuuza check Nigeria who's the top artist.
But no budde buno ndabanga akoze obulungi nnyo ku market yaffe.
Market yaffe
because
you need to understand the variation of Uganda's market. You don't make money only in Kampala here. You make real money all over the country. Not in Ogenda chalo kuchalo, but you must. Kati, if I go to perform in Mbarara, I can't perform for less than 15 million. Kati inze. Okay? Nebo mbemva Mbarara, nengende Kasese, nengende 40, ezo million ana mutano, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, munga, nizire Kampala. Atenga ulo, bahari inze, sinze netegese. So, amanyi ge, today here, songs in the you want see, ground. That's why Olava Ntale, it was difficult for her to continue. Because Yalita ina makandawa.
She looks comfortable.
Oh, I'm not saying she's not comfortable, but she would have been in a better position.
Than she is.
Yes. Nti before Juliana decided to sing music on Mteka Kutaka, you know the difference between those who know Juliana know there were two Julianas. There was Juliana wa Aije, then Juliana Neyaja na alima kutaka na imirira wepa. So Juliana nebokera kumacha, she doesn't need a song. Nebo mtwale guru wajula, nebo mtwala iganga wajula, nebo obochitegete cheneza kugamba. And it's not a reason of time. No, it's not a reason of time. It is a reason that you target that issue.
That is as always.
So you can see Azawi's position today is okay, it's good, you can go challenge the African, but I think Julius Julius must also yimba politics olaba banabizira. Tewali yimba byonna byomanyi tebajja naye waliwo ebintu abantu abagala kubeera bizza ku bizibu. So what you call bubblegum music is just music that amuses people, music that appeals to young people. That's why these kids are clever. Nefe nabwe twalira oyina time joino kutuka no jamu ebya serious no ga campseo. So I think that is good. So Mudra counts. Katugenze kwa Azawi. But that's not the way it is. You can get all that following by just you doing the best music.
There has been a comparison between Spice and Azawi. abantu
we will come with that question later nga
Okay.
tumaze okwongera
tugende ku mulala
ku gundi kakati our new breakthrough artist
Asambi Akaji.
Asambi Akaji, and
Yes.
people seem to be liking this guy.
Okay.
Liam Voice.
Young voice.
Omwoyo,
Omwoyo,
Basi,
Love Olinonya. Yeah.
Sizimanyi, but Omwoyo Ndumanyi, Zilida Sizimanyi. But if you ask people,
What was that?
no, if you ask people, the one kid they have appreciated Ingid, yeah, voice.
Young
Voice. Kakati tetuyinza kukola list ne tutarecognizinga muntu azze ku base. Ojukira ebiseera bya Fit for Mike awo yali akayinga. Oyo ndowooza yankubira n'amalayo. Okay.
Yayingira omwaka gumuloza nga alina ennyimba nga 4-5.
Okitegedde? So Liam Voice is a new guy, and I think njakwebaza n'abantu for allowing these new talents to be recognizing iranga ddala. Let's give them a chance.
Balina style gye baleese Young voice.
Waliwo n'omulala only unknown taliiko kuno lwa nsonga yatandika race ne Liam Voice naye race oli alabika adduka 15 Liam.
Young voice.
Ono naye bakola ekintu kyekimu. I appreciate naye ye kuno okujjako you needed to have more than about 3 songs that are fairly equally good, and that's what Liam has.
I think we should thank Chaga.
But unknown Chaga?
Yeah,
Oh,
Chaga.
that's good.
Like 4 years ago.
Yeah, that's good. That's good, but also unknown to our debating the Nainga he has to work for
He has
that.
to work harder.
Yes.
Tugende ku mimbi mulala.
Ati tugenze ku oluyimba omuyimbi gwe mmanyi nti naye nalumu naye ero lwadde lumala yekka gwe nsobola okukkiriza.
Gw'otaatadde eri.
Yes.
Who's that?
Firebase Rebel wange Zex Birangirangi oyo yekka gwe nzikiriza nti having one song kimala sebo genda
Zex
wewa.
Birangirangi from Firebase as I appear in the list ya Bebe Gabagama.
Yes, Zex with one song magazine olwo yadde teyetaaga gattako ne bw'atuula agira alinda
Lwamaanyi nnyo.
nkutidde sijja kwongerako.
Big up Zex, you appear on the list. Tugende ku
Then
mulala.
this year if I am to be asked omuyimbi wange ankoledde nga nze bebe personally
Yes.
Mudu sisinza duteeka mu zino
Luliwa.
tugenda kwambuka yoyo omuyimbi namugjeyo mu bana ab'olumu yadde alina lumu ne muzza mu bakubi
Wankizo.
nkutidde
Tugende tujja mulala.
kale so tugenda kutandika ne Shiba.
Katutandise baliwa.
Kati tutandise abantu betulina okwogerako betulina okwogerako.
Mulimu ne warning muno leero.
Totya. Now, Shiba, more or less, nothing is surprising about her. Doing good, and yes, she did good with Boy Fire, with Selector Jeff, and as a hit song, and then YOLO, 50-50. YOLO eri wakati, Boy Fire yagenda nnyo, YOLO nejja yes. But if I look at ebintu ebibeerawo bye tuba tuyitamu enkola omuntu gy'akolamu ebintu bye, I give her credit kubanga Shiba omuliro bamutaddeko mungi abawala ate nga industry si yabawala bokka n'abalenzi. But if she can still appear ku bino bye tugenda okuwulira, then she has done a good job this year.
My question is that
One thing people must know is mu business mutuuka time ne mwawukana. People abantu tebaleka ekifuula nti that's the end. No, buli muntu alina route ye. Okay?
yes.
Shiba bw'anaaba ayagala okusigala ng'akuba music era ajja kubaako n'abantu b'akola agende mu maaso. Bwe kinaaba kiganye nga kikomyawo kijja kukoma. So it should not be looked at as in akomye. No. And she's good and she's likable and she's strong, she's still young. Ye asobola okweyubula n'avuga ekirala.
Navuga style.
Okitegedde. So I don't think the way I see mayo omukazi mwegendereze nnyo alina ebintu bibiri performer ate yajja gumira ku ttaka. Shiba can still perform for the next 3 or 4 years without a new song. Okitegedde teetaaga luyimba okuperforminga
brand ye yagiseeringa
ku ground bulungi.
Wali ku ground.
So I don't see her disappearing okujjako nga yakikoze.
Okay, tuvudde ku Shiba.
Tuvudde ku Shiba tugenze ku Vinka.
Yes.
Vinka ali under Swangz Avenue. Vinka alina contracts in Swangz Avenue. Simanyi how the record companies work, but I have an idea kuba nange nina gagamba. Nze nakola, I pulled out all the artists until we start in April. We will start in April. Pulling it down.
Yes.
Because it takes a lot.
Yeah.
To me, it is very difficult to go and cut omwaka guno nonze pushing omu. Which Swangz does easily. Last year bali ku Vinka. Bali Nwaji. Oba?
Nwaji.
Then this year never flipping and badda ku mulala. Kati Vinka abali n'okulinda. Kwegamba ne balyoka bamukima buto. Bwe kirabikanga. It doesn't matter. What matters is platform ya music. Naye Vinka has to thank God that she has appeared on my list this year. With the song, thank God.
Why?
Because the song is so good and it is thanking God.
Okay.
It is a very good big song. Yebaze Katonda. Bano oluyimba thank God. Naye lulungi nnyo. Lusapasinga if tosa muteekeno mu yadde lwe lwabadde nalwo.
Tosa muteekamu oba one hit wonders because magnitude yalwo
lwamaanyi nnyo. Ekitegedde. Ne tugende
ku
Spice Diana.
Zino ziri mu order from bottom to top?
No.
Okay.
I will give my opinion. Okay. Usually list tegamba nnyo nti gundi yasinga. Naye nga this time I'll be able to point out at least the person or two who have worked more than all the others.
Okay. We go to
Spice Diana.
Yes.
Or your Hustler. Spice Hustler, but I think this time takoze nga bwe mbadde musuubira okukola. Though she has her ways. Now, with Spice, we will have to agree to they need to quickly think of working hard and smart.
But yeah,
not only working hard. Roger, but they've done it hard work, the hard work way, not the smart way.
Oh,
I'll tell you why. Lwaki agende Tanzania okola collabo nakola collabo ate n'omuyimbi atali famous.
Akola ne Zuchu.
Zuchu yani.
Kasuka Ali.
That is a new small artist. Surely. Singa Spice yali avudde Uganda n'agenda n'akola collabo ne Diamond. That makes a lot of sense. Kati problem webeera bokola nabo eri tebazisindika. Bakikulekera eno. Kati bakikulekera eno kati aba na Uganda oyo goyimbye naye tebamumanyi. So they ignore the what? The song. Ate project nefa sente zo ne zifa. Okitegedde ate yatambudde yagenze eri. So it involves a lot. Era simanyi how manager Roger bwe yakibala but anyway buli mood royal. You see, this is an era of 70 to 80% young people in Uganda.
Sure.
And you have to identify what young people identify with. So this kid just knows what to say and how to say it for his audience. And Katinafunga just akole chintu kyekimu naye that's what you need for
abana
art.
abato
Tebagala. And he has kept them throughout the COVID time. Last year yakikola ne this year akikoze.
Ekyo kivalidatinga kiri kyewagambye nti no oba oli talented oli muwandiisi oli muyimbi ate nga oli producer olina osuulako ebimu n'okonsultating. He's a songwriter naye yasitooka muwandiikira abalala kati obudde buno.
But he's not a producer.
No, he's not.
Yeah, artists can be songwriters. It's very okay. You can write your music. That's normal. You can even write for others. But I'm saying, producing, no one can no producing, at no being at no general competition. They are artists. You have to really be very strong financially and mentally.
Kongs
Mudra appears with 2 songs that are complete. Biri ziri complete. Onkosa ne Gwamanyi. And my best kati awukuzine bbiri Gwamanyi oba mukyala wa yero
It's a beautiful song. Abana babizimbeko.
Olo kweze bbiri naye nga both were hit songs and Mudra ayinza okuba nga sofa tuyinza okusanga nga Christian kuliko abantu abalina 2 songs eziri complete as hit songs nga bayinza okuba babiri oba omu n'ekitundu otherwise sofa bukya twatandise ono yalina ebbiri eziri complete hit songs Liam omwoyo zino endala ziri half but they are good because yes they are good because he came in yasaze okugenda nekya West Africa ne Africa which is good only that my record companies zibala ebintu byazo and those are businesses it is a good move she's moving well only that you see if today Azawi is doing better than Spice Diana than Shiba musically but if you took Azawi to Mbarara and you put Spice Diana in Mbarara on the same day, I don't know if Azawi can get the people Spice Buff so the best song this year ndi mu nyimba nga 3 naye kati nakugerako biyandira the weekend the best 3 songs waliwo best 3 songs but ku 3 ezo kati kukyali twakugerako 2 magazine ne weekend kati awo tujja okujja later mbagambe nti nze kunze luno lwe lusinga then kunze gundi yasinze kokunyuma
najja ne
edina ndeta sango ebikintu kibeera omundu ebyokusaaga bwebi
n'omwana we Masa Mukisa platform
n'aba ne Masa Mukisa platform which is also good sango tatuuka nnyo ku weekend is a brim song sango naye najja bulungi nnyo era sigenaako question at all of course najja nakuba ne mix yatupate
n'abeerawo ng'azitweyongere
then netutuuka ku Palaso
katono nnyo ku Palaso 2019 wagamba Palaso is a good artist but alina character etali likeable. I think 2020 he worked upon himself. Nabani Maramu with such songs. 2021 era appearance of this year.
He's consistent. For consistency. This year, Asemu, of course, we expect it. It's difficult times. Abantu batuka time ne batandika okubeera choosy. Once they start choosing, then she's perfect. But he has been consistent.
Yes.
I know Luyimba Lumune Chitundu.
Luyimba Lumune Chitundu because
I hit him. Nalonda Nemala. Then I na kati zino mpala ayo ezo ziri mediums ezo zempite Chitundu kuba tezituuse ku I don't know the reason, I don't know the game plan, but he's also comfortable. Kubakati Palaso baba ali stage na imba for 40 minutes. Asobola kuwa enyimba zona ngozagala. Because that's a game we play. Sometimes we don't want to say that hit.
There are good songs and there are big songs.
There are hit songs and there are good songs. So that's why singa yali akoze olulala era nga naloli ne getting closer to Nalonda Nemala. Kati ngenda kuwa good example kati Nalonda Nemala is the only big song Jaina zilendala zili good songs, not big.
Aina abadde ne balekabo aina anyo yo mpala.
Those are just normal good songs.
Normal good songs.
Yes. Yeah. So in brief, gwesi yogeddeko
tali wota yogeddeeko leero
list
you inclusive.
Me inclusive.
naye nga wakeera n'oyimba
But I have good songs.
katono wakeera n'oyimba Make a Wish n'ota ne Gyenvudde mukwano gwo abadde ne Kiggwa leero n'ata ne
Kiggwa leero si wa mwaka
si waguno abadde ne Forever. Yes.
Chameleone and Bebe Cool should now start seeing them as people you cannot do without musically. So the competition
you can't do without.
You can't do without. I mean, this list is called Bebe Cool list. Egwa so utayogera ku Jose Chameleone.
Yes.
But competitiveness ya fair music ni boba to compete nze.
Brand yo kachagwa.
So temutweralikira nnyo nze actually bwe nabankoze gwe ekyo ekyokulyawo kigenda kusinziira ku kyogenda okulaba ku performances nga baguddewo. That's when you will wake up ogaye abasajja tubere tumanyi baggwa ano tutandika butandisi.
Nali njogerako ne Gravity naye naŋŋamba ekya hip hop nakyo yakimala.
Ngategeeza
nti naye nti naye yakimala nga gwe wogambye bwe mwakimala nti ye tagenda tatune.
Buli muntu alina opinion ye kati ye yeerabanga ye naye ffe what we talk about is time and proof.
Yes.
Legendary money experience.
Yes.
Opinion matters. We are not 50-50 baked people. We are 100% baked legends.
So, in brief, Wotamiga artist of the year.
No. If we look, Bulungi, there's been it's been the best year of Mungawala, surely speaking. Azawi,
female artist.
Yegwenari Wadenga female artist this year.
Okay.
She's done her part well. Of course, it has been very tight competition. Naye sichangu okulaba nti manyi record company ya Swans pushing we take them and everything. I know how Shiba has been doing. I know how Spice has been doing. It's been tight competition, but Swans has a mileage of it being.
So for the female artists, Azawi stands out.
So for the male artists, surprisingly, if you ask me today, okusinzira ku nyimbo, I am a bit enyimba kansoke enyimba esatu
kale
enyimba esatu magazine Zex Birangi Weekend Eddie Kenzo Mudula oba mukyala wo waye
wamanyi oba mukyala wo waye
ezo ze nyimba zange naye mu nyimba ezo esatu olumu lukuba nnyo
oluliwa
magazine yatekete magazine mundi esabu Zex akyakuba nnyo but the biggest song of this year should be Weekend.
That is for Eddie Kenzo.
And since bonna balina like Eddie aina a single song and a song featuring someone. Palasa aina olumu neziri bwengerageranya oluyimba lwa Palaso lwe tugamba nti tugenda nalonda nemmala bwengerageranya ku luyimba lwe olwa last year Malamu nalonda nemmala ali halfway ku Malamu was a very big song okitegedde meaning ti Palaso akulinzeemu down kukya hit so si ku ky'omuntu okitegedde kukya hit. If you compare those two songs oli oluyimba wali tosobola tewali muntu yali alusobola and I think I gave it its credit.
Yes.
But then that's where Kenzo comes in. Weekend.
So Kenzo is artist of the year.
So to me, if you asked, if I had one prize today, I would give it to Kenzo this year.
For the males.
For the males.
Church valetted you include.
Nayenga fete tuliko.
Mutemuliko but now oyimbiyeyo. Church related with
My songs this year were just good songs. They are not hit songs, dream hit songs. But they are good songs.
Yes.
And there are so many artists with good songs. They only come here started, but my friend, that's a very good song. Forever. Yes. It's a very good song, but it's not a hit song. It lwakafuluma.
Yeah.
We will wait. Unfortunately, kati zino zonna zifiira mu guno omwaka because they are released in 2021.
Yes.
But then don't be surprised ng'ate lwe hitting by April. Manyi Joseph ennyimba ze zineewuunyisa. Mwezi ku mwezi janga saga bwe twalinga tukompitinga nnyo nga nzizalawa ozizalawo omwezi gumu n'ozalawo ogwokubiri ogwokusatu nga tolina kyakwogera ng'osirikawo.
Omukulu ye mumulesewa we mwali mu competition yabasi because naye yataayo oluyimba baluyita Ogenda. That is Bobby Wine because wetwogerako gwe Bebe Cool Kamiri, you can't rule out Bobby Wine. Yataayo Ogenda ate agamba naye ali working ku album.
Omanyi ebintu bya Bobby Wine tujja kubidiscussinga mu politics. Otherwise this is music as entertainment. So you see nonsense ono abantu gwe bakooye from January to January muli awo bugenda ayimbye bino agamba Museveni nti ogenda. Do you still have time for that? So you see music sisobola kubiteeka na kubyogera bwe yayimba gundi yasemba kuyimba kyalenga samuteekayo
Yateekayo n'engule.
Setwalogera
Tuyambala engule.
twayologerako
Akacengo.
zezikizo
Kozimanyi.
gozimanyi
Temuba nakatengo oba naye Uganda temuba.
kati gwe naawe oyimbye bulungi oli murepresenti nze bulungi kati mu ngeri eyo tazinza kubeera
Emba yange.
gwe ate nze kugaye gwe tuyimbire gweoyinza okuyimba oluyimba lw'omuntu olulungi n'oluyimba bubi era naawe kuba n'abiyimba bubi naye mubi. And for me as an elder mbeeramu ne tubeera ku masimu n'ogira bwoti Joseph Mayanja naye ayise mu situation everyone has been seeing. It's been very tough for him to see until now as muto. So kyovulaba nti ne gundi namwogeddeko Spice has really worked so hard, but I want that manager to work smart so that the girl doesn't have to feel omanyi ekyamuyombesa ku biri award you're feeling cheated. Omanyi bw'okola ennyo oba oyagala bakurecognizing kituufu, but again it is not always the people who work hard that win. Usually aba working hard and smart beba winning. So manager Roger should smarten up quickly, otherwise aina artist omulungi ate artist ali aggressive. I've not seen an aggressive artist nga Spice Diana. Akinoonya waba akyagala nekuba kwesiba babounce ataana abesi najja.
The people abali kwa waliwo mu Firebase yagikwatidde ekyo.
Ye Firebase teriyo. Ani?
Dax Vibes.
Yani
Muganda Bobby Wine.
N'okubeera ku ground baana abamu kyebava bamanyi.
Banjo man.
Banjo tayimba. Banjo ayimba.
Moya.
Ali mu business. Ali content.
So basically kyekyo and